patuloy na pagdiriwang ng Filipino Heritage Month, inilunsad kamakailan ang isang proyektong nakakatutok sa art of weaving o paghahabi. May report si Kisha Balatbat.
It's wearable art and something that you think about every day.
Inilunsad ng grupong Habi Habi Po Collective ang kanilang zine na pinamagatang Maghabi Magkatabi Huwebes ng Gabi. Sa proyektong ito, layon ng grupo na maibahagi ang kanilang kaalaman tungkol sa paghahabi o weaving.
It's funded through the York Center for Asian Research through the Filipino Studies Group at York University. And it was a research project, so we did it on Filipino textile practices. So this zine, it features like local artists as well as artists from the Philippines and the United States, and it features interviews and roundtable discussions, and of course art, because the three of us of Habi Habi Po are artists ourselves, and we're really interested in traditional textile practices and just weaving especially.
Isang taon silang nagsaliksik para mabuo ang proyektong ito. Kabilang sa kanilang proseso ay ang pakikipag-usap sa mga artists mula sa Canada at Pilipinas.
Each collective member did an interview with a Filipino creative leader. So, for example, I interviewed Maria Dagtang Togi, also known as Oyog, from the Toboli tribe in Lake Cebu, Mindanao, Philippines. And we talked about Tanalak, which is like famous, very iconic famous textile in the Philippines.
Sa kanilang launch party Huwebes, nakakuha ng physical copy ang mga dumalo, kung saan gamit ang banig sa pagbuo nito.
We're hoping that through this zine, that people just appreciate their Filipino culture and heritage more, and just have fun with it, because there's a lot of art and just facts that we've collected over the years, and we just want to share knowledge. So even if we learn one thing from it, especially the youth, which is why we involved youth in our zine, that they just take up a piece of Philippines literally through the banig, and we just hope that we connect others.
Nagdagdag din sila ng resource list para sa mga interesadong palawakin ang kanilang kaalaman sa paghahabi.
Part of this research is also to create a resource list for people who want to learn more about Filipino textile, because we found through our own personal research there isn't a lot of books like in the Toronto Public Library, or it's not just easy to find even online. So the zine also includes like a resource list.
Makikita ang Maghabi Magkatabi zine online sa kanilang website. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.